everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a Mackenzie Childs inspired tablescape, and this time I'm going to start off first of all with this beautiful scalloped bowl from Kmart. This beautiful bowl is part of the Kmart latest collection, guys, and I had a wonderful idea in mind that was actually inspired by Khloe Kardashian. Now, if you follow the Kardashians, they always have the most amazing flower arrangements, and I decided to do a DIY project with this bowl and some Kmart flowers. Now, I bought in my bag of flowers that I keep for DIY projects. Now, these beautiful cream flowers, guys, were from Kmart last year. They're not currently in store, but I have so many of them that I decided to use these for the project. Now I'm going to start by using some old floral foam. I'm going to place that in the center, and then I'm going to take the roses and I'm going to start from the outside putting them in. Now, after taking the roses, I then made sure that they didn't cover the scalloped edge of the pretty bowl. I'm going to go around the outside first and then fill up the inside.
To get by. So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down, and you keep on thinking you can save yourself, but that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love.
Now the key here is to create as much fullness as you can. When you look at a Kardashian flower arrangement, they are very, very tight. So the roses are very tight together, and that's what I'm trying to create here. Now once I was finished, I was so happy with the result, and I knew this would make a perfect centerpiece for my tablescape. Now to start my tablescape, I'm going to use these really pretty French provincial chargers that I picked up from Amazon last year. Now I'm going to team them up together with these beautiful black and white plates that I recently picked up from Amazon as well. Now these are a Mackenzie Childs feel about them, guys, and I love the combination of them with the blush pink. Now I'm going to start first of all by removing the existing decor on my table. Now after cleaning down the table, I then went in with this furniture polish. Now guys, I got this from 1825 Interiors, which is where my table is from, and they recommend using this. Not only does it do a job, but it also smells absolutely beautiful. And you only need a really small amount on your cloth, guys. It really brings up your table to look brand new again.
but somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start.
So I'm just taking 4 of those pretty pink chargers. I really love these chargers with the combination of these black and white plates, guys. It looks so pretty.
Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now, but somewhere.
Now I'm going to add these really pretty lace napkins that I got last year from TK Maxx. I've got these really glam napkin rings and I could only find 2 at the time, guys, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the other 2 plates. Now the other 2 napkins, guys, had these cute little bunny napkin rings that I had from Easter, and I'm not going to take them off, I'm just going to flip it over. And I recently went to a garage sale, guys, and I got these gorgeous gold little angels, and I just think they would just go so perfect with this tablescape. Now I added my gorgeous Kardashian inspired flower arrangement to the centre, and now I'm going to start on the walls in this particular area, guys. I'm going to swap them out with these beautiful prints of the Eiffel Tower, as well as these beautiful cherry blossom prints. Now I'm going to start decorating my bench seat with these beautiful blue and white striped cushions. I absolutely love these cushions, guys, and I love combining this beautiful baby blue with blush pink. I also added these beautiful fake fur blush pink leopard print cushions that I picked up from TK Maxx last year. I'm going to place them in the corner, as well as this little breakfast cushion in the pink and white check. I'm also going to add these 10 leopard print ones. Now these are actually cushion covers that I picked up from Amazon. Now I keep this bag out all year round, guys. It's from Provincial Home Living, and I'm just going to change out the flowers with these pretty dollar store pink ones. Now to finish off the area, I added my cute Mackenzie Charles teapot that my kids got me for Mother's Day, guys. I love this teapot so much. It's the only thing I own of Mackenzie Charles and I absolutely love it.
'cause I'm fine on my own.
Guys, are you loving Mackenzie Charles as well? I love anything with a check, guys. I've really got into the whole check thing at the moment, and I'm loving how everything's coming. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber, guys, who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decorating. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
To get by, we're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place, a feeling you just can't deny. So come on over, 'cause I could never live without you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows we're waiting for the time to let go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks, the story of us and now we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life, and sometimes all you need is a smile.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing a Mackenzie Charles inspired tablescape. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I would so appreciate it, guys. It really helps the channel. And also tap your notification bells and select the word always, because I'll be back next week with another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
To get by.